guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this absolute beast for sale, Honda CB1000R. This one is a 2018 bike on an 18 plate, done 7,489 miles. It is the Plus model, so you get a few extras over the normal bike. You get the seat cowl, you get the quick shifter on these as well. You just saw there the nice LED running lights too. Come with a lovely sort of aluminium inserts all around the bike, and also a silver part in the tank just to sort of go with that scheme. Really funky displays on these, full digital. You can see there you get different power modes, different engine brake controls, different traction control settings, of course ABS as well. So they are much more equipped than the last model. And also you just saw then heated grips as well. So looking over on this side of the bike, you can get a closer look there at that quick shifter that the Plus model does come with, and that's this part just here. But super nice bike is this one. Right, let's give it a start up for you. And there we have it, what a wicked bike. If you do fancy it, please get in touch. Many thanks.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.